Sure, here is a sample set of slides and script that you can use for your Introduction to ChatGPT for your MBA students. Slide 1, Title Slide, Introduction to ChatGPT. Slide 2, About Me, I am ChatGPT, a large language model trained by OpenAI. Slide 3, What is a language model? A language model is a type of artificial intelligence that has been trained on large amounts of text data to generate human-like responses to natural language queries. Slide 4, How does ChatGPT work? ChatGPT works by processing natural language input, analyzing the meaning behind it, and generating a response based on that analysis. Slide 5, Advantages of using ChatGPT in education. One of the main advantages of using ChatGPT in education is that it can provide personalized assistance to students. It can also help to free up teachers' time so that they can focus on other important tasks. Slide 6, Examples of applications in education. Here are a few examples of how ChatGPT can be used in education. Personalized learning and tutoring. Answering student questions. Grading student work. Creating study guides and quizzes. Slide 7, Personalized learning and tutoring. ChatGPT can be used to provide personalized learning and tutoring by adapting to each student's individual learning style and pace. Slide 8, Answering student questions. ChatGPT can answer student questions in real time, helping to provide immediate feedback and support. Slide 9, Grading student work. ChatGPT can be used to grade student work, freeing up teachers' time and providing faster feedback to students. Slide 10, Creating study guides and quizzes. ChatGPT can be used to create study guides and quizzes that are tailored to each student's individual needs and learning style. Slide 11, Limitations of using ChatGPT in education. While ChatGPT can be a useful tool in education, there are some limitations to keep in mind. For example, it may not be able to provide the same level of emotional support as a human teacher. Slide 12, Ethical considerations. There are also ethical considerations to keep in mind when using ChatGPT in education, such as ensuring student privacy and avoiding bias. Slide 13, Future applications. As the field of artificial intelligence continues to develop, there will likely be even more opportunities to use ChatGPT in education. Some potential future applications could include virtual classrooms and interactive textbooks. Slide 14, Case study. Here's an example of how ChatGPT has been used in education. Insert case study. Slide 15, Conclusion. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can be used to enhance education in a variety of ways. By leveraging its natural language processing capabilities, educators can provide more personalized and efficient support to students. Slide 16, Questions. Are there any questions about how ChatGPT can be used in education? Slide 17, Thank you for your attention. I hope you